Welcome to the all-new MyArchitectAI. In this short video, we'll walk you through what's changed in the redesigned app. The biggest update is that all your generation history will now be automatically saved to your account. All your work lives in projects, organized, and always accessible. The second major change is that you can now start from any tool, render, edit, or enhance, and soon animate, without needing to render first, like in the previous version. Let's start in the Projects tab. This is where all your work is stored. I'll open one of my recent projects. Inside, you can see 2 sessions I was working on. Sessions help you organize work within a project. Each time you upload a new image, a new session is created. For example, you can keep one project per client and use sessions for different views or concepts of the same project. Inside a session, you can preview the full generation history, continue working from any step, or download a specific version of a render. To start from scratch, click New Session, choose the tool you want to begin with, upload your image, and click Continue. The recommended workflow hasn't changed. Start by rendering without changing any settings to see how the engine understands your design. If something isn't right, add a prompt and describe what needs adjusting. In this case, the result looks good, but I want a different mood and landscape, so I'll add a prompt. Remember to select the version you want to render from the History tab. If you're new to prompting, you can use the Prompt Builder. It lets you select from predefined keywords instead of writing everything manually. You can always fine-tune the prompt afterward. The visual style setting replaces what used to be the style transfer engine in the old interface. It works the same way and is optional. Keep in mind it's not meant to preserve your design's details, so if you're working with a textured model, it's best to leave it disabled. Now let's move to the Edit tab. Everything here works as before. I'll add some patio furniture using Edit by Prompt. On the left, you can see your full history across all tools. This history is saved permanently, including prompts and settings. You can delete iterations you don't need using the trash icon, or mark your favorites with the heart icon. You can later quickly find your favorites using the heart icon at the top of the history pane. Finally, go to the Enhance tab to add a final polish if needed. I'm happy with this result, so I'll download it in 4K. If you want to continue working on your rendering later on, you will find it in your Projects tab. All generations and settings are saved automatically. That's it for this quick overview. For more help and best practices, check out the Tutorials tab. We'll keep adding more guides there. And as always, you can reach us anytime through live chat. We'd love to hear what you think about the new MyArchitectAI. Thanks for watching, and happy rendering.